A ship is sailing smoothly on a calm ocean. Density of the ship is lower than the density of water in the ocean. The ship is approaching a dock where it will be loaded with heavy containers. The Plimsoll line shows the maximum safe loading limit. The Plimsoll line acts as a guide to prevent overloading. Overloading beyond the Plimsoll line compromises the stability of the ship. The ship seems to be overloaded and the water is above the Plimsoll line. This could be dangerous for the ship. Plimsoll line plays a critical role in ensuring that the ships are loaded within safe limits.